Listening actively by huh? A- actively active listening? Oh, oh, yeah. Yeah, of course. Okay. Active listening by someone else. The first thing that we can talk about regarding active listening is what it isn't. Active listening isn't just hearing the sounds coming from someone's mouth. It's not just nodding and saying, "Yeah, babe, sounds great," when your significant other is talking. Active listening is really digging deep and thinking and concentrating and focusing on what someone's saying, thinking about their position, understanding the subject, and giving positive response through verbal and nonverbal cues. Active listening is absolutely essential in a business sense. It really allows you to understand and think about what your coworkers or customers are talking about. It allows you to develop a relationship built on effective communication. And when you have that relationship with your customers and coworkers, it reduces conflict and avoids misunderstanding. It also allows you to maintain your reputation as a service-oriented business. Now, while active listening is a technique that's best developed through practice, there are a few tips and tricks that you can use or not use to better understand and get the hang of active listening. The first and arguably most important step is focus. You have to clear the distractions that are present and focus on the person in front of you. You really can't daydream or think about anything else, and you're best limiting your distractions, cell phones, anything that would take your eyes off, or better said, your ears off, the person in front of you. The second part of active listening is showing your understanding, letting them know that you're listening. So once you understand, you can go ahead and use nonverbal communication skills, i.e., normal eye contact, nodding, general body language, even a small smile, to let them know that you're listening. Also, you can verbally paraphrase back to them what they said, or repeat what they said back to them just to avoid any miscommunication. Now, please, please, please do not do any of the following: interrupting the person you're listening to, think about your own response, or talk about yourself afterwards. No one wants any of these things, and they only inhibit active listening. Now, it may take a little practice putting all these do's and don'ts together, but practice is easy. Turn to the next person you see, start talking to them. Stop and listen actively. Don't forget that part. Now, if you've been listening actively to this webinar, you should have some clue on what to do.